If you want to install WordPress on Hostinger quickly and without confusion, this video will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. By the end, you'll know how to open your Hostinger dashboard, start a new website, select WordPress, and finish the installation in just a few minutes. This is one of the easiest ways to launch a website, whether you're building a blog, business site, portfolio, or online store. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, you'll land on your main dashboard, where all of your hosting tools and website settings are located. If you manage more than one account or plan, make sure you're using the correct one before moving forward. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Add Website. This is the starting point for creating a brand new site on Hostinger. Click it, and Hostinger will guide you through a setup process designed to get your website online as smoothly as possible. Next, you'll be asked what type of website you want to create. Choose WordPress. This tells Hostinger that you want to install WordPress as the platform for your site. WordPress is one of the most popular website builders in the world because it's flexible, beginner-friendly, and powerful enough for almost any kind of website. After selecting WordPress, Hostinger will ask you to enter a few important details. You'll need to choose your website language, create an email address for the site, and set a password. Take a moment here to choose a strong password you'll remember, because these credentials will help you log into your WordPress admin area later. Once that's done, it's time to select your domain. If you already own a domain, you can connect it here. If not, you may be able to choose a domain from the options available in your Hostinger account. This step is important because your domain is the web address people will use to find your site. Then, Hostinger will ask you to choose your website audience location. This helps the platform optimize your site setup based on where your visitors are likely to come from. Pick the option that best matches your target audience, whether that's local, regional, or global. Now review your settings one more time, and when everything looks correct, click Next. At this point, Hostinger will begin preparing your WordPress installation. You don't need to do anything special here, but just wait while the system sets up your site in the background. The installation process may take a short moment, so be patient while Hostinger completes everything for you. Once it finishes, your WordPress site will be ready to use, and you'll be able to move on to customizing your design, adding pages, installing plugins, and publishing content. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on Hostinger. From here, you can start building your website right away. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.